Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and today's video. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to use a tool to increase views and comments on your YouTube videos. It's a very simple method. This is how I help my videos gain more engagement, likes and visibility. Today, we'll be using a software tool. Here, it's been connected to process is straightforward. First, choose any video. I will use Ben. I uploaded 2 days ago as an example. Just share and copy the video link, paste it into the software. Go to the YouTube section, select the Sets function. We will configure the video setting by pasting the video link. Then choose the YouTube accounts in your settings to perform actions on this video. Set the number of accounts that will simultaneously run. Then select actions like dislike, or skip. Next, choose the video watch duration. Ideally, there should be at least 2/3 of the video. Now comes the comment section. Here, you can either input your own comments or use AI-generated comments. I will use AI tool comment in this case. After setting up all the parameters and account info, just click Start very quickly. The tool will open Chrome windows using the selected YouTube accounts. Locate the video, watch at least 2/3 of it, then like, and finally, leave a comment. This process helps boost traffic and interaction on your videos extremely fast. Now, let's wait and see the result of this video. Initial, it had 3 views and 6 comments. Let us see the outcome after using the tool to boost engagement. Now, it's been already at 10 views. As you can see, views have increased. If you want even more engagement, just create more videos and YouTube accounts. You will get many more views and comments. Okay, see you in the next video. If you found this helpful, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you do like to own this tool, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you in the next video.